welcome back to the channel. Let's see, for those of you that don't know who I is, I am Rock-N-Roll Jedd. That's right, rock and roll. That's right, rock and roll. Yeah, rock and roll. Oh yeah. Oh goodness. Oh yeah, it's terrible having such beautiful hair. I mean, you eat a lot of it. It's good everywhere. Okay, so anyways, so I'm here today in my studio here, and I'm gonna answer some of your questions. And I've got a lot of people asking me a lot of really sickening questions. So for the content purposes, I gotta kind of clean it up a little bit. Some of them I can't really answer. I'm sorry. I might answer them one day, but yeah, just not on video. Or act them out. Oh God, my hair. Okay. But before we get started, ain't nothing like a cold beer on a hot day. Let me tell you. Cause I ain't got no wind in my hair. Oh, yes, there's no wind in my hair in here. I need to give me a fan or something. Put a ceiling fan up here or something. I got a light that looks like a boob though. But yes, okay. Oh yes, boy, that's a cold here, I tell you what. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the question. I got a notebook here. Yes, so woo! Okay. So there's a dude, and his name is Josh. He asks, he says, Rock-N-Roll Jedd. It's me. He said, so how do you keep your hair in such cool style? Well, let me tell you something, Josh. I'm old, and all the years of rock and roll experience, you get beautiful hair like this, and it just kind of happens naturally. So you can go like 8 years and not wash your hair, it'll do the same. Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. And a lot of headbanging, yes. You gotta do a lot of headbanging. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So, oh my goodness. I kind of knew this question was going to come up. There's a dude, and his name is Derek. He wants to know, Jedd. Yes. Woo! Okay, anyways, he wants to know, Jedd, where is your guitar? Yes, because I'm a rock and roll star, you know. Every rock and roll star has a guitar, right? Yes. Well, I am no exception. It's very, okay. Okay, yes. Now, let me tell you something. Now, well, I don't have any power hooked up to it right now, so I can't really play you anything, but, well, I will play you one chord, but here we go. Are you ready? Here, let me get my fingers right. Yes. Now. Yeah! Wow, rock and roll! Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, let me put that away. Oh, yes. Oh, I also got another guitar. This is my little guitar right here. Did you hear that? Oh, we can hear. Check this out. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, the wind in my hair. Oh, I need some wind in my hair. Okay. Oh, yes. Now that y'all see my guitar, it's pretty awesome. Let me tell you, I can put some sounds out of that one. Let's move on to the next one here. Let's see, what we got here? Oh, my goodness. Ow. Now, why would somebody ask something so silly like this? Dustin, will you ever put a Firebird decal on your Firebird? Now, why would I have to put a decal on my Firebird when it's already a Firebird and it's already got a decal on it? There's one right there. Yes. It's pretty cool, huh? Yes. I made it myself. Oh, yes. Alright. So, oh, yes. Beer. Oh, yes, that's a good cold beer. Oh, man, I think there's some ice in that beer. Well, ain't nothing like a beer with some ice in it. The next question comes from, oh, my goodness. Wait, yeah. Oh, my goodness. How do you even pronounce his name? What is this guy, a terrorist or something? So, okay, now, if I don't pronounce your name right, you know, you really shouldn't be a terrorist. And it's, oh my goodness. It's also written here, you have to throw this, there's a So his name, okay, let me see here. Let me see if I get this right. Okay, apparently that's in his name. I told you it's hers. Okay, this dude's apparent name is Habib. Habib, yeah, wow, rock and roll, whoa. Okay, Habib, anyway, let me see here. He says, Rock-N-Roll Jedd. Yeah. Will you ever make some public appearances around this area? Well, you know what? Oh my goodness. I was informed that the other night there was a couple of people that I know that I associate with just kind of hanging out one where, and the police kind of come by and they said something about they was going to tase my ass if they catch me running down the road with my beer in my hand or something. So, woo, yes. I don't know if I'm going to make too many public appearances because I'm going to get tased when I do. But it's okay, I've been tased before and I've been bit in the butt by the dog and all that kind of good stuff. It ain't no thing. You know, all the years in rock and roll experience, you run from a couple. But I didn't outrun the dog. And I wouldn't suggest trying that. Because they can run faster than Rock-N-Roll Jedd, even when I am hyped up on beer. Oh, speaking of beer, oh yes. Oh goodness. Oh yes. Oh, okay, let's move on to this one. Okay. What in you have got to be kidding. Well, no wonder this person said their name is No Name. Oh my goodness, you didn't want to embarrass yourself, did you? Oh my goodness. Okay, so, No Name, unless you're a terrorist too, you might be an Indian, I don't know which he is, says, why would you ask such a question? I don't know. Do you, as in Rock-N-Roll Jedd, do you like rock and roll? That's all I have to say about that. Oh my goodness, you just get out of here. That's ridiculous. This is just, okay. Oh my goodness, how many of these things do I have? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Oh goodness, I'm gonna need a beer for this one. Oh yes, oh goodness. Man, that's cool. Okay, so here's another tourist, or some sort of something, I don't know, I really don't know how to, I don't know if this is a man or a woman, but I don't know how to pronounce this either, but they kind of spelled it out for me as if I was stupid or something I couldn't read. So it says, okay, Bequisha, Bequisha, okay. Bequisha, yeah, you dog, you. Yes. Hey, they can't all be tens. Okay, yes, okay. Yes. Oh, the good old days. Oh, yes. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so, Bequisha, yes, you. Okay, and it's, Rock-N-Roll Jedd. Yeah! Do you like to party? Oh my goodness, yes. Woo, yes. Yeah, I like to party. I guarantee. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah, I guarantee I like to party. Yes, who doesn't like to party? Especially with these things. Oh yes, I like to party. Okay, let me see here. Let me move on to the next question here. Okay. Oh yes, I like to party. Oh goodness. Oh goodness, my hair. Oh, okay, now to, oh goodness. Oh my, now this next one calls for a beer. Let me see here. Oh yeah, that is the spot. Yes. Oh yeah. Now I know who this crazy guy is. Now this guy, this is my old buddy, my redneck fisherman buddy. Yes, that's right, my redneck fisherman. You ought to see him. I gotta go up. I gotta go hang out with him one of these days. So I will be making a public appearance eventually. So, so Harmon, Harmon, Harmon. Whoa! Oh, you get it, anyway. So, he asked me, oh my goodness, Rock-N-Roll Jedd, yeah, what is your favorite beer? Oh my goodness, you got to be kidding me. What do you mean, what is my favorite beer? Oh goodness, there's only one beer in the world that's my favorite beer. And that's a free one. Well, I guess this would be my second favorite beer, because this one wasn't free. I had to pay for this one. This is the world famous beer, but yes, my favorite beer is a free one. Yeah, you give me some beer and I like it because it's free. That's some good stuff. Oh, oh yes. Oh. You know what? Speaking of beer, that's my last one. You know what that means? Rock-N-Roll Jedd gotta make a beer run. That's right, I gotta make a beer run. So, yeah, you know what? I tell you what, you guys can come with me. Let's go get some more beer. Yeah, so let's go down here and get on my Firebird. Everybody loves my Firebird apparently. Oop, this seatbelt ain't working, but here I go. Oh yes, the window here. Oh yeah. Boy, I'm getting dry, I'm thirsty. Oh, I gotta go get me a beer. Oh goodness. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so much better. Oh yeah. Whoa! Man, let me tell you. Oh, it's good to get wind in here. Oh goodness, hey, how you doing? Oh, there's wind in here. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. A little bit of traffic. Well, come on. Yes, indeed. How's it going? Yeah! Woo! Rock and roll! Yeah! Boy, I tell you what, I hope the liquor store don't close on me. I gotta hurry up and get there. Oh, yeah! Rock and roll! Oh, I got my beer! Better stop and look both ways. I ain't got my right hand turn thing. Oh my goodness, I'm just a second. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh yes. Yeah, you see that? That's how you go beer shopping, ladies and gentlemen. I better slow down now and remember neighborhood. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I better slow down and remember neighborhood. Yeah, don't want to drop my beer either. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, how you like that? Yeah, that's how you get beer. That's exactly how you go and get beer. Hey, you guys want a beer? No? Okay, I'll just drink it off for myself. Oh, I'm about to rock and roll on my beer. Oh, my goodness, my beer. Oh, let's see if I can get up on your sidewalk here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I need some rear view mirrors in this sucker, right? But anyway, my Firebird ain't getting that. I do want to spill my beer. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, see, that takes some skill driving right there, let me tell you. Oh yes. And lock my brakes down. Oh yeah, now that's how you go for a beer run. Oh my goodness, I tell you what. Oh goodness. Oh yes. I better check my payload. See if it come loose here. I didn't see where it came loose or anything. Now ladies and gentlemen, that right there is how you make a beer run in style. That's right, that's how Rock-N-Roll Jedd rolls, man. That's exactly how Rock-N-Roll Jedd rolls. Because Rock-N-Roll Jedd, he rock and rolls and he parties hard. Do I like to party? Absolutely I like to party. Now I'm gonna go party. So I'll see you guys on the flip side.